Hi guys! Okay, so kaka-receive ko lang today ng the ordinary 7% glycolic acid straight from United Kingdom, specifically from the store mankind.co.uk. So Mankind is one of the official distributor ng The Ordinary brand. So ngayon, I'm going to unbox it and compare it with the one I bought locally from the Orange app, which I know is a fake product, no? So yeah, let's open this now. Here's the details. I don't want to ruin the receipt, so I'm going to open it at the back. Yeah. So it's packaged like this. It's wrapped up in paper, like looks like Manila paper. And here it is. It's not sealed. It's not like super duper sealed. Alright. Here it is. Okay. So medyo open yung card, yung packaging. I don't know if it's because of custom, kung binuksan ba to sa custom or what. Yeah, so this is it. And look, wala siya nung original cup. Diretso na siya nakaganire. Diretso na siya Diretso na siya ang tawag dito? The another cup, not the original. Okay. This is the one from Mankind. Okay. Let's see ha, kasi alam ko meron talaga yung bagong ano ng glycolic. Meron silang sa packaging, merong ganito. Yung napipil mo yung sa gilid. Tapos may makikita kang pag pinil mo siya, ayan o. May makikita kang other instructions sa likod. Yan. Like this. If irritation occurs, rinse off, cease use, and consult a physician. Yung fake product, meron din ganito actually. But, yeah, let's see kung parehong-pareho. Pero hindi ganito ka-smooth yung, ano niya, yung peel, yung sa fake product. Let's see how it smells. Okay, I'm so excited. Okay, so ito, let's see. Let's open it. Yeah. Okay, I see. So, sealed din kasi siya kahit diretso na ganito, parang hindi siya sealed. It smells like the same. Ano? Okay. Okay, so I'm going to compare it with the fake one. Okay, the one I bought from the Orange app. So, ito yung original, no? Let's compare the box. So, ito yung original. Ito yung original box. So, ngayon ko pa lang ito nakikita, ha? Ngayon ko pa lang din siya ma-check. And ito yung fake. na nabili ko sa Orange Shop. So, compare the height. So, slightly, I don't know, almost the same. Yeah, almost the same. But, the color is different. Yan. See? See this line here? The original is much darker than the fake one. Okay? Kung wala kang comparison, like, hindi mo talaga makikita, hindi mo mahalata yung differences niya. So, ito yon. Huh. Ganun din naman yung mga instructions, almost the same. But, except this one, the color gray here, the original is much darker. And, eto, let's open the fake one. So, eto, nilagyan ko muna siya ng original cap. Eto yung fake one. No? Okay, so, yung may original cap, yung fake one, eto yung original. Yung galing sa UK. Okay, so, medyo moist siya kasi galing siya sa refrigerator. Niref ko muna. Look. For some reason, itong fake ay parang yung kulay niya, yung yellowish, na parang, you know, ihi. Itong original, medyo light. Medyo light siya. Okay. So, itong original, dumating siya ng yung nakaganito na. Wherein yung fake, dumating siya na ganito. Pero, may kasama din ganito. Okay? So, let's compare both na parehong nakaganito. Yan. So, ito, look. Look at the difference. There's a difference sa cup. Sa second cup. Itong original, yan o. Ang ganda ng pagkakahulma. Itong fake hindi. Tama lang, pero you can definitely see the difference. Tapos yung color, when compared, much lighter yung original kaysa sa fake. Ito yung sinasabi ko na may peel off din yung fake. But, hindi ganon ka-smooth tulad ng sa original. Ayan, parang kailangan mo pang persahin. See? The same. Pero, kailangan mo pang persahin para mabuksan. Yan. Nababalik naman. Pero, hindi katulad ng ganito na super smooth yung peel off niya. So, yun lang guys.